So they say I shall go do BBL. In the process of doing the BBL, say she can't follow the ekpai. It's quite unfortunate that now this kind of thing will lead to the buying of somebody.
So the young ladies following me. Do whatever you think is okay for your body. Okay, but you see me, Nkechi Blessing Sunday, if I will recommend any surgery, and if I am even going to do any surgery in this life, it is going to be weight loss surgery. You see, to go, they add, they come out, they add. Did you see that video? May God rest her soul. I am not here to talk about anybody. I'm not here to judge anybody, because one way or the other, everybody go still do wetin they love. But now we be men. Una not forget say BBL price different from normal price. I be make we begin the talk am.
Alright, so they say I shall go do BBL. In the process of doing the BBL, say she can't follow the ekpai. It's quite unfortunate that now this kind of thing will lead to the buying of somebody. But it don't happen. Now she know what she could go tell her maker. At the end of the day, why do you people really do the BBL? If you ask, you don't sit down and ask. All of this now to increase their market value, nothing more. All this BBL, where did they do? Now to increase their market value. Down to all the Nollywood actresses, where when they see they copy from. And to just pitch themselves so that they'll be seen. Is this desire? Is this greed? Now greed. It's greed, nothing more. It's greed. If I have a bigger nyash, more men will be looking at me. They get all these things done so that they can be seen by politicians. So that they can be more obvious to the footballers, to the musicians. Then they will hide it under socialites, influencers. All of these things, now to just cover the main work. Ashawo. Nothing more. Greed. Somebody told me, some of them don't really have confidence, and some of them are being talked about. There's some men used to talk against them because of their flat bum. That's why they went to go and add up. Now lie. Plenty women with flat bum that they marry, that they get relationship, good relationship. Now lie. Now greed. They want to be talked about more. Okay, you say you want to boost your own confidence. You want to boost your own confidence. How do you feel when you are working with 4 normal girls that are your friends, and now only you person go stop say hello? You don't think about their own mental health and their own confidence. It's a lie. You want to be noticed. You want to get more higher value for market. You want me more married women. Una target married women, politicians, footballers, musicians, and all, and fraudsters, Yahoo boys. That's why you do these things. Business. It has to do with greed and money. It's quite unfortunate. This one don't go. More go. May I so rest in peace. But me, I don't feel sympathize now at this moment because of the insecurity of the country. I will save my tears for the future attack will go happen for Nigeria. Insecurity, because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu cannot promise us any security. So the way where Boko Haram take they move, I'm expecting to hear another bad news. Because this regime is all about bad news. Boko Haram attacks, insecurity, farmers being attacked in the bushes, kidnappers here and there, left, right, and center. So I go save my tears for the real people who need my tears, or save my rest in peace to the people who need them. Not be one girl when go do nyash because of our business, because of our markets. It has nothing to do with insecurity, bro. Somebody will say, oh, it's because of insecurity. Some of them don't know. At first, they say this thing about inferiority complex. It's not. It's markets. It has nothing to do with inferiority complex. Because when you talk about insecurity complex, insecurity and inferiority complex, this thing is a thing of the mind. There are a lot of beautiful women that are inferior, that feel inferior. They get a lot of women where they get figure 8 shape, real figure 8 shape, natural body. They get women where they're endowed, but they're shy for public. They don't get self-confidence for some reason. It has nothing to do with inferiority complex. It has nothing to do with insecurity. Before now, they say, oh, now their inferiority complex, now their insecurity. It's a lie. Complex issue is a thing of the mind. It's a thing of the brain. It's a thing of your brain and your mind. There are a lot of people who don't find their confidence for society. Say people they say, I don't want to call him. They and with their confidence, women they trip for them, men they trip for them. Because people don't see what's in the air. It has nothing to do with their complex issues. Again, I ask, so if you dey inferior, where make you can't go do body? How about your friends? So be say if you dey what? Not lie. You just want to be obvious. You just want men to look at you more. It's greed. You want to be talked about more. It's greed. Say you do one, you do two, you do three. It's greed. It's greed. You want make people husband they look you? It's greed. You want make people boyfriend they look you? It's greed. You want make followers follow you because of your nyash? It's greed, not because of anything. Greed. Now you want to get jobs passed for adverts. You go rush, go do nyash. It's greed. Make footballer look you, leave other guests. It's greed. That's nothing to do with complex. Don't hide it under that. And none for women before this thing come. Because this thing a new generation thing, all this BBL thing. It don't day before. Brazilian butt lift, it don't day. But now, it don't come full everywhere. Ask yourself, women where they did before, what did they do? Some people say that men, they make them do. How? The man's world is like a conquest. If you like, they go knock the one be BBL. Later, men when I know, if they don't knock BBL finish, the contours they come. You know, I'm on nothing better reach natural nyash. They'll start to find natural nyash. Most of them say when they do BBL, how many they don't marry? Names full my head where they get BBL. Plenty names in my head now. If they call them, I know plenty for this media. They don't fit sit down with me, they don't fit settle with men. They don't fit settle down. Even though that is not be saying now waiting make life be life, shape person settle down. But with the hash, all men want to do to them are to test, go the next one where it gets. Then at the end of the day, they settle for a natural nyash. Our mothers were married. Our mothers, a lot of them had good marriages. Plenty of them don't get BBL. You don't buy bye. Stay safe. Stay safe, eh? Stay safe. It don't happen. Take care of yourself.
I currently lost my life doing a cosmetic surgery. I didn't went into because I already spoke to this twin sister. I got a better detail of what happened. And then I went for a cosmetic surgery. She did a cosmetic surgery on the 6th of February 2026. And then on the 8th of February, she started having complications, which they immediately complained to the doctor. They said infection entered. There are so many details that I cannot put out there because I'm not in a very, good place. I've also gone under the knife. I did not go. I did not even come out with complications. One thing people don't understand is that this Sinosure hospital is known for ending the lives of young girls. There is nothing wrong as a young girl wanting to correct something in your body. Absolutely nothing wrong. If Sinosure doesn't end your life, it gives you burns and necrosis. We have so many of its victims. We might be creating a Telegram channel where we'll be posting videos and pictures and complaints of other people. And this is not about Elena wanting more or something. This is about an hospital that is supposed to be protecting life. It's not the only surgeon in Nigeria.
Biko kedu ihe a ga-akpọ ihe a na Chineke kechara gị ka ga-eto ede bụrụ sọ mma wee sị na Chukwu eketeghọ gị na ị ga-eje megharị ihe ọbụla Chineke mee n'ahụ ka ihe na-emeziti na ndị mmadụ n'ụwa kịta na ịpụta inecha onwe gị anyị si na Chineke amazi ihe na ị ga-eje kegharịa onwe gị ije kegharịa onwe gị wee fụ ihe ị na-achọ. Nwa agbọghọbịa unu na-afụ ebe unu anụchaghị ihe ndị ọzọ kwuru n'afịa Elena ọ bụkwa na ejima ya nọ na-abarị ya na-awọ ya si ya biko nke i mere eme ezugo maka o mere ike o mega afịa o mere alịa and ebe a unu fụrụ ya sị na mgbe o mere afịa ewepụziri otubue etinyezie ya otubo etinye otubo abụọ bụ ebe abụ ọzọ otubo Chineke ji wee kie na ihe niile ma ihu ya na ihe niile o buzi n'ahụ ya bụ ihe etinyechara etinye ewee sị na ụkwụ ya o nwere ụkwụ anwụnta. Unu cheta ihe onyonyo a nne na nna ya nenechara mgba ọ ya bụ ịkwụba telivishọn ịkwụba ihe onyonyo a ụkwụ ya akwụjarụ enu ya ebuo ibu n'ọdụ ụkwụ o nwere o wee sị mba maka na omego n'ike ike wee bu ibu ọ na-azị aga ije maka na ụkwụ ya pere mpe ụkwụ ya dị ebunwuzi ikie
o wee sizie na ọ ga-eje megharịkwa surgery ọzọ ka ebekara ụfọdụ ahụ na anụ ahịa ka e wee manye n'ụkwụ ya ka ụkwụ ya wee buo ibu wee na-ebunwu ikie. Biko na onwekwa ihe mmadụ ama nnukwa n'ụwa. O nweghị ihe mmadụ ama nọ n'ụwa. Ejimi ya wee si ya biko ijezina nụ. Ọ bụrụ na ụkwụ gị na-anyụzi gị alọ na ụkwụ ga-epekazi ibu ike, jezienu wepụ ihe anyị dọnyere n'ike ka izuo ike. Ọ jụsị na ọ ga-eje na ọ na-ebutere ya ahịa na o ji agba aka afịa. Unu amago n'ụdị aka afịa ọ ya na-agba na ihe a na-ebutere ya kọstọma. Ọ sị ejimi anyị ekwuzikwa na agụ na ọ ga-eje mie. Wee si o wee binye ụlọọgwụ nke izu o ji ha wee nenecha wee sị mba na anyị ama mmezikwa gị n'imego nke ike. Nenecha ya si na onwezi n'ebe ị nwere anụ ahụ etu a ga-ebekara ha sị mba na ha ama mme. Maka na ịma na asị na nya ọnwụ na-adọ gị ọnwụ na-egbu nwa nkịta adị anụkwuye anụ isi nsị. O wee mee gị na o wee jee ụlọọgwụ asị a na-akpọ Sinoshow. Ịghọtago ebe a ka o jezi wee jee wee tinyebezi ike wee mebezie. Unu n'anya mgbe m bidoro ihe onyonyo unu afụ mgbe ọ nọ n'ụlọ ọgwụ na-ebe akwa ka ọ na-ebe ka m tinyekwu ya ka unu gekwa ọzọ ka ọ na-ebe akwa. Unu egegonu ụdị akwa o bere ọkwa unu fụrụ ya ka ọ na-eti. A sịkwana mgbe ọ na-eti a na-eme ihe complications karịa ọbara ju ebe niile ọ na-etizi. Dọkịta ọnụta wee kpọọ dọkịta ọzọ ya gbatakwa ọsọ na ọ maazịkwa ihe na-emenụ. Mgbe dọkịta nke abụọ bịara wee asị ụgbado aka n'isi tie Chineke na ọkụkọ agbasakwa n'okpesi na nwa abụrụgokwa onye nwụrụ anwụ na onwekwa ihe a ga-emete. Etu a ka esi megidezie nwa abụrụ onye nwụrụ anwụ wee kpọọ ejimi ya wee gwa ejimi ya ka unu fụ na-eti mkpu na-abe. Biko nụ kedu ihe na-eme ụmụ agbọghọbịa ma ụmụ ikorobịa ụmụ nwoke na-emekwuzi surgery ọkwa ụmụ nke anyị fụrụ ụbọchị a jee mee imie nwoke. Kedu ihe na-emezi na isi na ka Chukwu si wee ke ga-adịghọ gị mma ijegonufu ihe ị chọrọ a ga-ebere onye akwa nta ma very dark man. Greed anya ukwu bụ ihe na-ebute ọnwụ ike. Anya ukwu a emego oke ọchịchọ ifugo n'elu ka ikegharịa onwe gị ka Chukwu si wee ke gị na ọmarịcha nwa dịka gị ikegharịgo n'onwe gị jezie ịsa asịsa si Chineke na ọ maghị ihe. Chineke maghị ihe ka isi wee ke m etu a wee je kegharịa n'onwe m. Unu afụgo n'ihe meenụ. Biko ka m mara ihe unu che n'ihe onyonyo unu na-enekwa anya. Onye a unu fụ kịta bụ onye na-act film na Nollywood. O jekwa mee ike a nwụọ. Unu nekwa n'anya onye nke a na-esote bụ unu ma nwaanyị a na-act film a na-akpọ Adame. Ka asị allegedly nke ntama nke ndị oyibo na-ekwu na nwa ya jekwara ime BBL itinye ike mee gịnị etu akwa ka nwa si wee nwụ. Na-esochiri ya mgbe ihe a mere aghọtacha ihe mere na asị na nwa ya nwụrụ. Kịta ka a na-eru mozi si na ihe o ji eme wee nwụọ. Na ọtụtụ ndị even asị ka nwa ale na-anwụcharụ onye a unu na-enenekwa kịta ebe a ka asị nwụkwarụ nso abalị one na one gakwara aga ịda nyaahụ nwanne ya na o je imekwa BBL ka ịfụ na ụmụ agbọghọbịa kịta ntị adịghọ aka na-ekwu na onye a unu na-enene nyanwa jekwa mee nke na ofu na ọgwụ ụnụta Sinoshow nwanụ ka ọ gịnị ebe a ka o jekwa nwụọ. Bikonu kedu ihe a ga-akpọ ụdị ihe a bikonu ka mmarụkwa ihe unu che n'ihe onyonyo a. Ụmụ agbọghọ bikonu hapụnụ n'onwe unu ka Chineke si wee konu ma ụmụ ikorobịa kwụ hapụnụ n'onwe unu. Ka mmadụ ga-esi neche anya wee gwa Chineke na etu Chineke si wee kee adịghọ mma jee kegharịzie onwe itinye ike itinye ala itinyekwu ọnụ ime afọ gị ime ụkwụ gị ime ihu gị nya ihe niile Chineke si wee kego nwezi nke dị mma. Biko na o nwezi ka ọ dị nke gị dịzi too much. Atam very dark man sị na a ga-ebere onye akwa a ga-ebere ya akwa. A sịgo unu mana unu ọgwụ a Sinoshow nwanụ mma onye jee ni ọnwụọ unu ma na-eje a na-anwụ ịma na-eje onye nke a nwụọ mkpụrụ ụbọchị one na onye nke a jekwa na anwụkwa nya akọ nwanne nya. Biko na a ga-achọzikwa ndị a ihe n'anya ka mara ihe unu che n'ihe onyonyo a.
Whosoever is the head of the hospital, God will punish you. As you kill this girl, so and I say your children go down timely death. You think they pay me? This can't find girl. And I don't kill her away. And I do like something that happen. You know, go better for now. My people, since yesterday, I don't hear voice note. I don't tire. People they cry for this girl. This girl, so it's like people love this girl where both are friends. Like she be good girl, she be nice girl. People love her. People are crying. This can't find girl. Now, this Sinocho, I've been at Sinosho Hospital. Una busha this girl anyhow. My people, even I see how they take busha this girl. They busha this girl from her yash. This are the busha her entire leg. Open for ground. Then they shook things for inside. You don't see the girl bone. The girl they cry. The girl they holler. The girl die in pains. That hospital killed the girl. Up to now, the hospital like nothing they happen. They don't put out statement to address the matter. What it lead to complications. They don't address nothing. Because they believe they already confused the girl to sign that 50-50 document. You don't see the matter. You have to be careful about this hospital because information which people say like 4 to 5 people they die for that hospital every year. If 4 people they die for there every year, means every 2 months now 1 person die. You have to be stay clear. This girl a lovable girl. People love the girl. This kind of fine girl when I kill her throw it like that. Say because when I don't deceive the girl go sign a 50-50 document. When I can't lock up, that's not happen. Whosoever is the head of the hospital, God will punish you. As you kill this girl, so and I say your children go down timely death. This is they pay me. This can't find girl. When I don't kill her away. When I do that's nothing they happen. You know go better for now. When I must go talk out the one and waka pass that get that you need to come see no your aesthetics. You have to come and explain to Nigerians what happened that led to that girl losing her life. You need to come out. Yes. She can't rubbish with this one. The girl now Nafao, I bush can't matter with that one.
Guys, how you all doing? Check me out. Do you like what you see? I know you like what you see. See, this video is for all these ladies that always listen to what people say. And because of that, you will not work on your body. If you know that you're a mom, even a girl, and you don't feel comfortable in your skin, that you want to look good, you want to be banging, you want to be appetizing to your husband, to your partner, even to yourself. You want to wear what fits you. Stop being shy. Stop wondering what will people say that I did BBL, that I did Cosmetic. After everything, you will look amazing. It doesn't matter. What matters is your confidence, okay? I will help you. You know I'm here for women. I am here for your body positivity. That is what we represent, okay? I am always fighting for you and I want you to look your best. Don't carry that pot belly and be following your husband up and down and be looking like your husband's grandma. You don't need it. You need to come out and look nice.
ụwa kịta onwezi nnọọ ihe mmadụ ama mfụ n'ụwa kịta ọkwụ na afụgo n'onye nke a bịa na-egosi anyị ikie si onye ọbụla jee donyewe ukwu onye ọbụla jee mewe ike nọ nke na-ewunu unu afụgo n'onye iberibe nna ama m ihe unu che n'ihe onyonyo a maka ihe nke a ọ dịzikwa egwu biko ihe a ndị mmadụ na-anwụsịsị na kedu onye a ga-atụ ụta ụmụ agbọghọbịa na-eburu onwe ha ebuje n'ụlọ ọgwụ sị na ha na-adọnye ike adọnye ukwu adọnye ala kedu onye a ga-atụ ụta ka ndị dọkịta nọrọ onwe ha n'ụlọ ọgwụ ha ụmụ agbọghọbịa wee chọrọ ha wee jee wee si biko nụ donyenụ m ukwu donyenụ m ike donyenụ m ala donyekwuonụ m ọnụ donyekwuo wepụsịa na ihe niile dị n'afọ m ka afọ m dịzie flat dịka onye adị erizi nri dị ala biko na ụmụnne m ka ị na-ene n'ihe onyonyo a dere m onye ị ga-atụ ụta ndewonu ngwa ka ọ dịnụ biko unu echezọkwana ị like, ị share, ị subscribe.